Hey, what's up guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this channel, can you smash on subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video you guys will be notified. So in this video I'll be walking you through how to use Kalodata in Mexico. So if you're from Mexico and you're looking for a way to maximize and promote different kind of product on TikTok shops, and then you're looking for a tools which of course it will allow you to find some product which of course you can drop ship or sell or promote on your TikTok shop account in order to make more money. So this tools is the best one for you. And if you have not signed up on this tool before, you can use the link in the description to sign up, or use Mosby on the checkout page to get up to 10% discount. And without wasting much of your time, let's get straight to the business. So Kalodata is one of the best tools for TikTok shop analytics and insight, and also give you access to find out competitors who are already selling the same thing you are intended or you are interested in selling on your TikTok shop account. So you can find out shops, creator, product, video and ads. At the same time, you can also check on the live streaming content on TikTok. So right now Kalodata is offering 7 days free trial, and if you use the link in the description you're gonna get all the features right there, and no credit card required. And after 7 days, if you're interested in paying to enjoy the best of the Kalodata, you can actually proceed to that. And if you are from Mexico, this is plans that are available for you. So for monthly plan, you're going to be paying $23. For the professional plan, that's $50. And for the enterprise, if you're a business owner, this is the best one for you. So you have to contact the support to place your order. And for the yearly plan, you're going to be paying $16. And for professional, you're going to be paying $34.02. And for the enterprise, you're going to be contacting the support. And scrolling all the way down, you're going to see the features on each of these plans, so you definitely know what you'll be getting on which plan you actually want to go for. So for the starter plan, these are the things you're going to be getting, but the one I actually recommend for everyone who is actually interested in making money with their own TikTok shop is going for this professional plan. As you can see right here, I'm also running a professional plan, which of course allow me to see or have access to most of these features on Kalodata software. And if you scroll all the way down, you're gonna see some detail comparison, and there are some add-ons which of course you may be very much interested in, like customized report, data export, category strategy, brand diagnosis. And if you scroll all the way down, you're gonna see credits buying, live record, video download, sub account at the same time. And they also have some frequently asked questions, just in case you have some questions which of course they have not answered before. You can check out the questions, and then you're gonna see the answer on each of the questions. And if none of your question was answered before or on this list, you can actually contact the support and reach out to them, and one of their support center will definitely reply to you. And if you want to download Kalodata app to your mobile phone, you can click on app right here, then scan this QR code. Then if you're using an Android, you can get it on Google Play Store, and if you're using an Apple device, you can get it on Apple App Store. And that is that for the pricing and some other details on this particular page. And if you want to explore the platform itself, all you just have to do, just click on categories, or you can click on explore or shops or something like that. So let's check on the explore page so you can see how the platforms looks like. So scrolling all the way down, you're gonna see welcome, then you're gonna see your name right there. Then we have trending product, we have competitors list, affiliate creators, hot lives, hot videos, and brand strategy. And scrolling all the way down, you're gonna see different products that are actually trending in Mexico right now. And if you go on TikTok shops, you're gonna see that these are the products that are actually trending in Mexico as of right now, which of course I'm making this video. So these are the top products. You can see this is an LD product, this one is health, this is beauty, this is beauty as well, and this is also female wear, something like that. And if you click on the more right here, you're gonna see all the 10 top products that are trending in Mexico right now. So you can see all the data, you can see the revenue that they are pulling up, you can see the revenue growth rate, items sold, average unit price, and you can see the commission rate on each of this product, and you can see highest revenue videos on TikTok. So you can see creators number, you can see launch date for the products, and you can see the creator conversion ratio. So all this data actually mean something. They are not just there for just being their sake. So on this particular product right here, this product actually costs from $21 to $58 depending on the combo and what you actually want to get. So you can also download the data of this product, and you can also copy this product link. So you can see the metrics of this data, so of this product. You can see as it started, then you can see right here, then it go up, then it come down again, then I think it started going up again. So same thing goes to this particular product right here. You can see how it's going. So there is no product that goes straight line, so it's always something like this. And if you want to look for a product that is more promising, these are the things you need to look into. So any product that are actually going all the way like this and still putting up some figures, that means it's actually a good product. And you're gonna see how much items that are being sold. So you can also see the unit average unit price, so which means people are buying between $20 to $30 of this product, and the commission rate is actually amazing, 20%. That's not bad. So it has the highest revenue video. So we're gonna check some of this video and see how those creators are making their videos.
No están gordas, solamente tenían el cortisol muy elevado. Y este maravilloso combo.
Right here you can also download the video to get some inspiration on how you can also do your own.
Ansiedad, prediabetes, energía, y también lo mejor es que es auxiliar para la menopausia, y lo más importante es que te ayuda con la hormona del cortisol. Se toman 2 capsulitas al día, 2 del inositol y 2 de la ashwagandha. Recuerden que cuando tienen.
Alright, so you can see that right there. So that is how that particular creator is promoting that product. So this is another one for that same product. Alright, so you can see right there, every individual have their own unique way in promoting products. So the way you're promoting or you're willing to promote your own product will be definitely different from your friend or some other people. So this is another one right here. So you can see right there, so every individual have their own unique way of promoting products. So this is another product right here.
Compré este aceite de orégano aquí en TikTok Shop de la marca Vivo Nu. No por nada lo llaman el antibiótico de la naturaleza. También te ayuda mucho con el tema de los.
So you can see right there, so different products, different creators trying to promote each product and make money from it. So that is how you can discover products that are much more promising, and then you're gonna be able to make more money from it. On this particular page, we have actually seen most of the features that Kalodata actually have. So you can also check on the creators right here. Then you're gonna see different creators with different kind of product that they are promoting. So you can see this page right here. You can see their followers, you can see their followers, and if you check on TikTok, you're gonna see this data is actually accurate. So let's check on this particular one, which is Fenty.mx. So let's check on TikTok. 48.2k followers. So let's check on that. 48.2. You can see right there, this is accurate data, right? This is accurate data. They are following 19 people. So you can see right there, you can see different videos that they have on their profile. So this is really amazing. So same thing goes to some other creators like that. So the more followers you get, sometimes that will determine how much you'll be making, but then it might not also determine another way around if people are not much interested in the product you are trying to promote, right? So you can also see the revenue that each of these creators have actually pulled up. You can see their top product that are best selling. You can see best selling product. So this way you can also spy on these people to find out what product you should try to promote on your page. You might not be niche specific, so that you'll be able to promote different products on your TikTok shop account. So you can see the data. So this one is actually okay if you want to promote any product from this list. And this one is actually going down currently, but then it can also pick up again. But you can see the revenue is way more higher than others. You can see content views, that's 7.74 million. So you can also see the views trend, then it's go down, it can pick up again, no one knows, right? So this is in a fashion niche, anybody can actually go up anytime. So basically that is most about Kalodata. You also have videos and ads, which of course we have checked some features right there. So this is actually telling us that these videos right here are promoted videos, right? Those creators are promoting them so that they'll be able to generate revenue. So you can see this one, then it's come down. You can see this one, it's come down. You can see this one right here. You can see this one right here. So you can also promote your videos if you feel like you need to promote it in order to generate sales as fast as possible. And this is the data of the last 30 days. Sorry. So that is it about Kalodata. If you are from Mexico and you want to sign up, you can use the link in the description or use Mosby on the checkout box to sign up on Kalodata. And if you have any question, you can let me know through the comment section below. Thank you.